Once again.
What's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, this video will be quick and fast. We're gonna make some tropical smoothie. All right, I'm gonna add some Irish mash, and I made my Irish mash by soaking it, rinsing it, boil it, strain it, and then I bottle up in the jar. It was a lot. I bottle it up. All right, and I have one pineapple. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna use about quarter. I'm gonna use one mango and 2 fingers of ripe banana. I don't want nothing else because all of this are pure sweetness, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. All right, you can put some lime juice or lemon juice as well if you want, optional. All right guys, let's get into this video. My frozen pineapple, quicker to blend, like you get it more rich and nice. I have one mango I cut in small pieces, some ice, a little bit of crushed ice, and I have 1 big tablespoon of Irish mash, and I have 2 fingers of ripe banana. We're gonna blend everything. All right, I have my frozen pineapple here. It's about quarter of a pineapple, depends on the size. All right, I'm gonna add everything. Whee! Not throwing away anything. All right guys, you see my new ninja? Yes. All right, so guys, it will be a separate video. If you want to know how I get this ninja here for cheap, it's a touch one, all fancy, comment down below. It will be a different video. All right, let's get back into the video. I'm gonna add my 1 tablespoon of Irish mash. I'm gonna add my 2 fingers of bananas, and I'm gonna add my mangoes, 1 mango. Look at that guys. Woo. And then my crushed ice on top. You can add some pineapple juice, some orange juice, but it's too sweet. Everything is good. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. This is about 1/4 cup of water, just to give it a start. All right, and now we're gonna cover this fancy. All right, that's good. Now the power comes on once I cover it, and there you go. I'm gonna press smoothie, and we're gonna start. And that's it there. That's my smoothie. Yes. We're gonna squeeze this. There you have it guys. Yes. All right guys, we're gonna share out some. Now this is my glass. I put it in the freezer just to chill. And look at that goodness guys. Woo. Here goes. Woo. All right my peeps, look at that. Woo. Yes. Yes guys, yes. My tropical fruit smoothie with lots of fresh fruits and a little bit of Irish mash. Yes. packed with antioxidants from my Irish mash. Clean, you're gonna build your immune system. And my fruits gonna provide lots of vitamins and mineral, potassium from my banana. Really healthy. A good refreshing smoothie. Come to Jamaica with us, guys. Let's celebrate together in paradise. All right, guys, this is it. Yummy, yummy. One love and be blessed. Can you see the water dripping off my glass? Look at that, guys. All right, my peeps, love upon me and I love upon you. Put God first. Yes. And guys, this is also healthy because there's no sugar added. All the sugar, it's from the fruits. Look at that. Bye, guys.